Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you interested in working in any part of Europe, be it Netherlands, Poland, Switzerland, any part of Europe at all, Spain, Italy? Then this website I'm about to show you now is your go-to, right? You can find any type of job at all from this website. You can find jobs in packaging, poultry farm, agriculture, healthcare, driving, any type of job. You can find it here. Production workers, even assistant, administrative positions. You can find it on this website. All you need is your Europass CV style, and some of them do not even require you to have a CV, no knowledge of, no language skills, no experience whatsoever. Just go ahead and do your application. So I'm going to be showing you this website today. If you're interested in working in any country in Europe, come here and do your job search. Narrow it to your particular occupation. So give this video a thumbs up, share with someone, and drop a comment in the comment for me. Let me know that you have answered present on this video. Let's get started. The website is called jobs.pl. It's a Poland job website. This one I'm looking at is a Dutch employment agency called Workpost, and they are looking for production worker, packaging, no language skills, no experience. It's in Netherlands, right? And this is the job reference here. The job reference number is jobs.pl. What they offer is a legal contract based on Dutch rules. Hourly rate of €14.40 gross per hour. Holiday allowance, overtime paid at 125% of the hourly rate. Saturdays paid at 150%. Accommodation close to work, transportation to work. So they'll offer you accommodation and transportation. So this one is for production worker. If you want to work in the production industry, then this one is for you. And what are their requirements? They need you to be ready to work 2 shifts, ready to work at a temperature of approximately 8 Cs. A driving license will be an added advantage but not mandatory. Interested in their offer, send them your CV. If you're interested, send them your CV. They have amazing opportunities in different categories. They have, this one is cookies packaging production warehouse, Netherlands. So if you go back, you can see the deals of the day. So each day they have deals of the day, jobs that are posted for that day. Check out our recommended offers of use, or use the search engine. So these are their recommended offers, but you can use the search engine here to filter out the job using the keyword, position, town or country in Europe. Then you browse. So you can choose from over 8,680 job offers here. You can see all the countries that you can work in. Even Ireland is here as well. So open it. This one is financial services seller, manual labor, occupational health and safety. Let's open this one. Occupational health and safety. It's going to be in Polish language, so just translate to English. Job description is supervision of compliance with occupational health and safety regulations in the workplace, conducting audits and occupational risk assessment, employee training in occupational health and safety, collaborating with local authorities and internal teams to ensure regulatory compliance. They require you to have a very good knowledge of English, communication in an international environment, education and or certifications in occupational health and safety, professional experience in a similar position, ability to work in a team and solve problems, responsibility, accuracy, and good work organization. They offer you 30 euros per hour for the first 3 months, then 35 net per hour. Weekly working time is 45 to 50 hours. Dutch employment contracts with full social package. They offer accommodation, transport, and other necessary services except meals. Opportunity for personal development within the structures of a large international concern marks stretcher, stable employment in a future-oriented industry. If you want to join them, click here, apply now to bring you here. To apply, enter your email address here, message the employer. So you are messaging the employer directly. This message here is going to be your cover letter. This is what you're doing for yourself. I'm not going to type in a cover letter for you people here because it's going to then be generic. Everybody's going to copy and paste. So write your cover letter. I don't know the employment. I don't know your occupation. You can be a healthcare worker. You can be a mechanic. You can be a food picker, whichever position you're going for. Type in your message here, your cover letter. This is where you're going to tell them that you need sponsorship because the job did not state that you must be in Netherlands or Poland to apply. No, you can type in your message here, add your CV, then consent, agree, consent, and then apply for the job offer. So it's that simple. I'm going to go back and show you guys more. So I'm just picking out a couple. This one is senior security officer. Let's check it out. Right, so make sure that you're always translating to English in case it goes back to Polish. Translate to English for better understanding of what you're doing. This one is junior specialist in the occupational health and safety department. So you're going to go through all the jobs according to your occupation. I don't know your occupation, but so many occupations are here. In fact, this one is electrician, assembly of control cabinet according to the design. This one is electronics engineer, electrician, automation engineer, production operator, free transport from the location. This one is solution consultant with German and English. Let's check it out. It says with relocation. This one is please note the position is based in Sofia, Bulgaria, and we will assist you to relocate. Join Telus Digital Bulgaria as a solution consultant with German and English for the world's biggest search engine and become part of a dynamic team dedicated to delivering exceptional customer service. We are seeking professionals with strong communication skills to help users maximize their product services experience. Solution consultants with German and English. Relocation to Sofia, Bulgaria. Deliver professional support. Guys, I own a YouTube channel, How to Make Money Online, and I talk about this Telus Digital a lot. The video is up on my channel, but they are actively hiring someone that will go to their physical location, and it comes with a location package. You can check them out. If you're fluent in German and English, please go and apply. Strong interpersonal abilities and customer service orientation, ability to follow structured guidelines and process. Ideal candidate profile is a customer focused mindset and delivering exceptional service. The best part, no tech background needed. We are looking for enthusiastic individuals who are ready to learn. They offer flexible contract condition and temporary employment, part-time options available. Financial support during your location, example, for transportation, hotel stay, rent, and assistance in finding a long-term rental. Fully paid training, stable job and career development opportunities, salary, additional health insurance, 50 plus benefits and services to choose from. Guys, this is a lot. Does it sound like the perfect job for you? You can apply now. So click here. Let's see how the apply button works. It's the same way you write a message to them. You know what the job is all about. It's about be looking for solutions consultants with German and English, and then relocation to Sofia, Bulgaria available. Write a message to them. Put your CV. Please let your CV be European CV style, Europass CV format, and then you go ahead and apply. Back office gaming support specialist. Guys, they have a lot of jobs here, which I can't go through all of them. So I'm just showing you. Come here and do your job search. This one is housekeeper cleaners in Spain. All right, let's check it out as well. Housekeeper cleaner in Spain. Cleaning, housekeeping in private property, serving meals, washing. High level of personal culture. Experience is welcome. Knowledge of foreign language is not required. Conscientiousness, reliability, discretion. Attractive salary, cooperation on a B2B basis. So apply now. Then the same way, write a message to the employer, attach your CV and apply. This is straightforward. So come here and do your job search and send your CVs. Send a message to the employers. This message, the messages you're going to send will be going directly to the employers, okay? You're not like writing to a recruitment agency, no, you're writing directly to the employers. So website again is jobs.poland, jobs.pl, which is Poland. You find lots of jobs in Europe for yourself. Okay, I think you can also create a profile so that jobs will be coming up, and then you put on the notification so whenever jobs come up for you, you will be notified. So I thought to share this with you guys real quick so that you can go ahead and search for jobs here and then apply. Let me know your thoughts. If so, they also have in construction, call center, education and training. Yeah, they do have in education and training. Solution consultant with German. Okay, you can select whichever. Construction, call center, healthcare, housekeeping. Select them like that, and do your job search. Hayes, Poland, regulatory reporting specialist. Yeah, so go and check them out. I thought to share with you guys. Let me know your thoughts if this interests you, if you're going to try them out today. And if anything comes up, guys, also have in Greece. So any part of Europe at all, do your job search. Meanwhile, drop a comment. Answer your roll call in the comment section. I always identify my people in the comments. So if you drop a comment, I know you watched this video. I know you watched it. So drop a comment for me, share with someone, and give this video a massive thumbs up. Give it a massive thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.